Good morning students. In this class, I will be doing class 9 CBSE syllabus. 9th chapter, areas of parallelograms and triangles. Exercise 9.3. 2 exercise already I have completed. Third exercise I have completed 11 sums. 11th sum I have given in the description box, you can check. Now I will continue with the 12th sum. A village Tiwari has a plot of land of shape of a quadrilateral. So he is having a quadrilateral shaped field. Okay, he is having a quadrilateral shaped field, that is a four-sided figure. Like that, he is having a plot of land. Any four-sided figure like this he is having. So we will name that as A, B, C, D. Okay, a quadrilateral four-sided figure. The Gram Panchayat of the village decided to take over some portion of his plot from one of the corners to construct a health center. So in that village, they are asking the village Tiwari to take his land, okay, to construct health center. Okay, Panchayat of the village decided. So the Panchayat decided to take over some portion of this Tiwari's land. Okay, to construct a health center. That is, from one corner of his land, they wanted to take some portion to construct health center. Itwari agrees to the above proposal with the condition. So he is also agreeing for that with the condition that he should be given equal amount of land in lieu of his land adjoining his plot. That is, whatever portion they are taking, instead of that, they have to give some other portion in the, it should be a continuous thing for the given land. Okay, some portion, if they are taking the same portion of the land, they have to give adjoining to his quadrilateral shaped field. Okay, so as to form a triangular plot. So when one corner of the quadrilateral is removed, when they are taking for constructing health center, the same portion of the land, same area of the land has to be given near this quadrilateral shaped field such that he will be getting a triangular plot. Okay, understood? So quadrilateral shaped field plot is there. In that one part, if we are removing the area of the part that is removed, the area of the part removed has to be given in the given quadrilateral shaped field such that it forms a triangular plot. Okay, explain how the proposal will be implemented. Okay, so we will take A, B, C, D as a quadrilateral. Okay, then BD diagonal we will join. Okay, the diagonal BD is joined. Then we will construct a parallel line from point C, that is parallel to BD. We will construct a line that is parallel to BD through C. So we will extend this line. Okay, so we will name that as F. Okay, then we will join this D and F. Okay, so we will join this D and F. Now I will tell you what has to be done. Okay, so whatever I have done here, this diagram also we are only doing. So we will write the explanation for that. Let ABCD be a quadrilateral. ABCD be a quadrilateral. Join BD. Construct a line parallel to BD from C and extend AB to F such that BD parallel to FC. Such that BD parallel to FC. Now join FD. Okay, join FD. So now what we are going to do is BD and CF are parallel to each other. So if we take BD as the common base, we will get two triangles between the same parallel and with the same base. What are the triangles we'll get? DCB. That triangle we'll get DCB. One triangle we'll get. The other triangle is DFB. DFB. So these two triangles we'll get. So both the areas of the triangle are same. Both the area of the triangle are same. That is between the same parallel and with the same base. Okay. Then. So this is given join BD. Then this is construction. Then proof. So proof is area of triangle BDC is equal to area of triangle BDF. BDF. Two triangles between parallels BD and CF and with the common base BD. Okay, with the common base BD. Two triangles between the parallels BD and CF and with the common base BD are equal in area. So both the areas of triangle are equal. Now we are asked to find that this part, that is, this is the corner portion. Okay, we will name this as M. That is BDCM. That part of the triangle, if we are removing. Okay, that part of the triangle, if we are removing, so that the removed part has to be joined here. That is BMF. Instead of that DCM, we are including FBM such that removing this, that area is included here so that we will get a triangle ADF. That only he is also asking. Okay, so now we have proved that BDC and BDF, both the triangles are equal in area. So now this BDM part is common. So we will remove that common part. So area of DCM is equal to area of BFM. Okay, area of DCM is equal to area of BFM we will get. So hence instead of area DCM, Itwari can be given area of BFM to get a triangular shape ADF. So that only he is asking. Explain how the proposal will be implemented. He has to get he is requesting for a triangular plot replacing that corner part. So instead of this DCM part, they are giving BMF. So equal area he is getting. So instead of area of DCM, Itwari can be given area of BFM to get a triangular shape ADF. Okay. So even though seems to be complicated, only one thing, you are drawing a parallel line to this to make the given question, to make it as a triangle. Very simple only, the same simple concept only we are using. Okay. Thank you.